Today I will be showing you how to create a quiz on Quizizz. Click create. You can either choose to create a quiz or create a lesson. Today I will be choosing to create a quiz. There is an option to create a quiz with AI, but I will be creating mine from scratch. They have multiple types of assessments you could choose, like multiple choice, reorder, drag and drop, but today I will just be doing multiple choice. Multiple choice, the platform, and then you would click and type your answers in here. Those are just some random ones. Then you would mark your correct answer. You could also choose to add an answer explanation. I'm not going to do that right now. There is settings where you could change the amount of points the question is worth, the amount of time you're going to give the students to answer the question. You could insert equations. There's also multiple different like font editors. You would then save your question. You can also add questions from the Quizizz library if you want it to be longer, or if you need a little extra help figuring out what questions you want to ask. Here you can upload an image for the title or for the cover of your quiz. For example, I will choose that. Name your quiz. You can choose the subject for the quiz. A relevant grade. What language you want it to be, and the visibility. Then you would click publish. Here is where you can choose to the option of instructor-led session, where it be live and in class, or assign independent practice through asynchronous learning. That is all for today. Thank you and goodbye.